Good morning, fellow billionaires. This is Silver 5150 with your morning update for Tuesday, June 2nd, 2020. All right, here we have the 2015 Tokelau Great White Shark, right? And our theme today is Let's Be Sharks. Guys, let's be sharks out there today. Sniffing out the blood and water. It looks like there's going to be some red in the metals markets today. Gold and silver look like they're going to be down today. Let's hope we get a really good pullback so we can find some deals and take advantage of a low spot price. That'll be out there today to help us get more metal in our stack. So, with premiums. Premiums is something you need to keep in mind. It's a two-way street. When spot price starts to climb in an environment like this where you have low inventories and you have high demand, the premiums will usually outperform the spot price exponentially on the way up. But guess what? It's the same on the way down. As spot price drops, the premiums drop exponentially to the spot price. And so you want to take advantage of that. Now, it's not as extreme on the downside as it is the upside, but it is something we can definitely take advantage of. All right, let's keep an eye on that. Markets today, looks like the stock futures are up about 0.5% and on the way to about 1 or 1.5% at the close today on news that Europe is going to start opening things and doing more. And so everybody's positive about that, something to celebrate, I guess, in the stock market. Right. And again, gold and silver are being held in check right now. If you look on the debt clock, you'll see that there is a fractional number of contracts that were sold into the market to try to increase, volume and keep the price down. That works for us today. And silver's down right now about 0.75%. Gold's still holding that 1750 line, a very important resistance line for gold, probably about 11 years old, if I'm not mistaken. And so it's consolidating around there, but it'll probably drop below a little bit, but that's okay. We got the rest of the week to get through, and we should see some gains by the end of the week. All right, but in silver, let's hope we see a really good pullback today because that's going to help us on the other side of the purchasing today. We will make sure that we can take advantage of all that. All right, so while you were sleeping last night, cryptos jumped. They jumped hard, and I think Bitcoin is well over 10,000 now. The others are trailing pretty close behind. XRP is up. Litecoin's up. Those are the most popular ones. So for you crypto people out there, that's some good news. And also, the dollar to gold ratio last night jumped above 26,000 an ounce. So we know this is an indicator. This is not what the actual spot price is telling us that gold's worth, but we know the amount of inflation flowing in, and that 26,000 number is very important because it helps us track the pace of inflation as well as the amount. All right, so we keep an eye on the debt clock for that. Okay, so tonight we are going to take a look into my techniques on how I read the silver tea leaves by using the rest of the market. Just minimal market analysis, for all the different indexes, all the different asset classes and stuff to try to get a read on what the silver market's going to be doing down the road and, to help us acquire more and help us to get more. But today, let's just take a big bite out of life. Let's go out and, get everything we can get done, do our best, be good to people and stuff, but take that big bite out of life. Let's be sharks today. Let's go out, find those deals and stuff. Tell everybody what a feeding frenzy is, and that way we can clear out the water, so to speak. All right, guys, short report this morning, but there's not too much going on. Just keep an eye on the markets, keep an eye on the deals. Please comment in the comments below if you find something, right? And then like, share, and subscribe. Oh, before I go, I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. You guys, you're coming out, you're checking out the Silver 5150 channel, you're hanging out with us. You're seeing that we're in there having fun because that's what we do at the Silver 5150 channel. We have fun with the stacking of silver. We have fun with the situations that we're having to deal with and in life and stuff. There's plenty of dour, serious, heavy stuff out there, and you can go anywhere and you can get that content. But when you come to the Silver 5150 channel, it is a lounge where you can hang out, have fun, feel good, and know you're doing the right thing. So thank you guys very much for signing up, subscribing. I appreciate the new subs, and we're just going to keep the silver train rolling. We're going to keep the Silver 5150 channel rolling, and we're going to keep heading into this great silver age where we can create our silver societies and have all our silver wealth and do some really fun things. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in this morning. Like, share, subscribe, as always, and we'll see you tonight.